Hello. So we are about to continue this decluttering, this organization, this cleaning our home for the spring season. So I uploaded a video on Monday of us decluttering this closet that's in the bathroom. So today we're going to finish cleaning the bathroom. We've got to get up under the cabinet and organize it up under the cabinet, the vanity, the sink cabinet. Then we're going to also clean the countertop off, organize things on top of it. We're going to wipe down the shower and do the commode, and we have to do the floor. So we're going to sweep and mop these floors. So we thought we would bring you along with us, like the first video, the first part of this series for spring cleaning. I encouraged you to go get your favorite music, whether it was jazz or Christian. Jazz or I guess Christian music. Gospel is what I was trying to say. Reggae, whatever is going to motivate you to clean, go ahead and get it and put it on. And if you need a beverage to drink, if you need some iced tea, or if you need a soda, if you need water, need something warm, a cup of coffee, go ahead and get that so we can knock this spring cleaning out. So this is part 2 of the series, and I'll link part 1 with the card above. And so that's it. So if you've not watched part 1, please go back and watch part 1. It's kind of long. I apologize for that. I'll try and do a better job with editing this one so that it's not so long, but please watch till the end. Please like, share, subscribe, click your notification bell so that you don't miss this one or any other uploads that we do, especially part of this spring cleaning series. And I know I'm an educator, and I know I probably surprised a lot of you with doing this lifestyle style of videos, but I've been wanting to get into it. If you remember my other videos, I've been telling you I've been wanting to get into some more lifestyle kinds of things. So this is part of that. I thank you for watching my videos. I always thank you for the support and for the love. And so stay tuned for part 2. And there'll still be more to come as we start this journey of spring cleaning, and then there'll be some other things as well to come. So I'm gonna stop rambling so that this video is not any longer than it has to be. Infinity hugs and kisses.